did this. I know there's still a little bit like bumpy still on like the sides, but I'm gonna get better at it, so don't judge me.
Bitch, shut up!
I know I messed up the first time I did this, and it shows in the first that I did, but I'm gonna show you how I fixed it and what I did wrong, so you don't have to go through the same situation I did. If you guys like this, and if you guys want to see more of the Polygel videos, let me know. Hopefully I'll get better at this. Actually, scratch that, I am gonna get better at this. So at first I was a little nervous because Amazon delivered it in just this box, no packaging. It comes with the instructions, and I was like, nah, I don't need that. Maybe that's why my set didn't stay on, so I would highly recommend to read the instructions. It comes with so much stuff, like it comes with glitter, it comes with a UV light. So what I really like about it is the instructions show you like how to use each color of polygel, since some are like clear, some are silver, some are light pink, and it shows you how to use the different kinds. So I thought that was really cool. It also has some of the polishes on top for matte finish, the top coat, the base coat, and it also comes with the slip solution, which I will show you later on in the video. It has 6 little glitters that I used. I love this because I use glitter for literally everything. And then we also got the little butterfly little glitter things, and it comes in different colors, which you can use on like different little designs of your nails that you do. And then the other thing is these foils that like hold your nail in place. It comes with a lot. It also comes with little jewels. It also comes with this nail file, which is also really good to use. It's not like a little flimsy little cheap like file. It works really good. At first I was wondering where the heck the UV light was, and I did not expect it to be this small, but it's actually really small. Like, I was looking for it, like, is this it? Like, seriously? But it is, and it actually works so good for it being so small. It's a USB charge, so you do have to have it plugged in. It's the only issue I have with it, because I am all over the place and I like to just have it one thing at a time. But you know, for starters, it's pretty cute and it works really good. So I just wanted to see how it would work before I started the whole nail process, and look at it. It works so good. Look at how cute it is. So here's the cuticle pusher, and also the little brush it comes with. This brush actually works pretty good. It comes in that little container, which is kind of convenient, and you just flip it around. It's the cuticle pusher. I don't know the correct terminology for that, but that's what I call it. You can just keep it in there. It's like a little pen. It also comes with these little tweezers, which is so convenient for the jewels. And of course, it comes with the little molds for the polygel sets. It's just so crazy how all this was only like $49.99 for all this stuff. I think that that's actually a good deal, because when you normally get your nails done anyway, it's normally around the same price. And this, you can just keep doing it probably for like a couple months for the same price. Like, how can you beat that?
It's a no-brainer.
So I'm just finally pushing my cuticles back, and this glue right here, it's called Super Nail Glue. It works so good, let me tell you. I also got these little nail tips on Amazon as well. I'll leave them down in the description. I got the stiletto nails on purpose because it makes it so much easier to do the coffin shaped nails. You can just cut the tip off and it's like literally the coffin shape. It's like so easy. So once you get the desired length, you're going to go ahead and put the base coat on and cure them for about 30 to 60 seconds. So this is my first time doing it, and this is how I applied the glitter on there. I was just dabbing it on there. It made it a clean little finish, but I find that if you just dip your nail into the glitter, it will work better than just doing it this way. I think I struggled more with putting on the little butterflies than I did with anything else. My technique here was not great. As you can see that there's like a bunch of bumps and stuff, and that doesn't go good when you're starting to file it, because then it's like airy and some sides are thicker than the other. So here I'm trying out the glitter silver. The consistency of that one is pretty thick and kind of drying, but it kind of made it easier to work with because it wasn't so tacky. So then I just started filing, and here's where I messed up when I applied the nail polish on top. So another tip is don't leave the polygel next to the UV light because it will dry out. Just try to keep it far away as possible. So here I just finished washing my hands, and that was the finished look. I wasn't too happy about it. Just took off the nail polish the next day, and I did the second hand. So here I did a little bit of a better job. I put the nail tip on, I got it to the desired length I wanted, then I put the base coat on and I cured it for 30 seconds. And then I just dipped this little thing in from rubbing alcohol. I find it works way better than the slip gel that they provide there in the box. The clear one, I'm having some issues with it, so if anyone has any tips on how to get that to a perfect line, that'd be awesome. So this time I just dipped the glitter straight into the nail. It was so much easier this way than patting it on. So since this glue is really powerful, what I do after filing it, I just hold it on there for about 10 seconds and it should stay in place. It's so good. The gem I used to put on the thumb, it lasted me about like this whole time. I still have them on. It hasn't come off yet, so that's awesome. And I do a lot of opening boxes and stuff for my job, and it doesn't move. And I sleep with it, and I do all kinds of stuff. I comb my hair, do makeup, and it still doesn't come off. So I would really recommend buying that glue off Amazon. Plus you get 5 for the price, $6. Such a steal. So if you are gonna apply regular nail polish, I would recommend finding one that dries quite fast. The UV light, it does work, but it just takes a little bit longer for it to dry. So this is the finished look, and this is 1 week after using the polygel. So I also got this little nail drill. I thought it would be so much easier using this than having just the nail file. So it comes with all of these little drills here, and then it also comes with these bits. So like flat, so you see here it's like a little bit curvy. I think with this it would help making it more flat surface for the glitter or anything else to go on top of it. This is how it comes. It's like a little wand. I think the other color I believe is silver. I have to double check on that. But I thought the purple would be a really cute touch. So you can, this is how you take it out. You turn it to the right to take it out, and then I believe you put it back in that same way. You just push it down, and then it's in place. Here's the connector, so you just connect it in the back. It plugs right into an outlet. I'll test it out right now for you so you guys can see how it works. And I'm going to be using this in my next video. It's pretty fast. I think that's the lowest setting, and it also goes to higher setting, which you can control all through the sides here. It's the middle button for it to shut off. Yeah, so I'm excited to use this on my next video. Probably won't be for another week until I do my next video because these nails are still on. I want to do like a blue or something different, maybe a French tip to challenge myself. But yeah, just stay tuned for the next video.